In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix cameras not working on the Streamlabs or the OBS Studio. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing is to go to the source. Once select the scene that you are in, then go to the source over here. Browse it down and you will go to the video and audio option. Just go to the capture option and then add source. So this is the webcam, or you guys can say face cam. So in order to go the videos, right now it's running, but I cannot show you my face. This is how it's running, as you guys can see it. So yeah, select the camera that you guys want to go with, and after that just go ahead and select the ratio that you want to go. If you want to go with a custom one, you guys can do it. If you guys want to go with the default one, you guys can select it. The color spacing, I used the one that is more suitable with the video recording format, and then close it. Now it's working and you guys can move it anywhere else as you guys want to. And if you guys want to add multiple webcam, make sure you have multiple webcam added and connected over here. Just select the one that you want to connect, and thus it will be able to connect it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the camera real quick so you guys can see that it's actually working. Now that I'm just gonna remove the cover. So yeah, this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.